Alright everyone, welcome back. A quick look at Curve. It's been a while since we looked at Curve. Curve recently, you can see this drop here. It did get hacked, so not sure if this thing's going to go down even further, but I can tell you what the chart's telling us. So from the low to the high, rejection right at the 8.7 level, right at the 200-day moving average. You can see you came back down to your 0.5, but ultimately the hack just sent this thing all the way back down to the bottom here. It is a good sign that you held the low here at this 5.5 level. You did wick all the way, almost all the way down to 4.7 here. But these giant wicks here, especially that green one there, is very bullish. So if that was the crash for that hack for Curve, and it is going to go back up, what I can simply tell you is from the low to the high, if we're going to get a 382 retracement, that pretty much takes you right here to this 626 to 63 level here. So back up to the 786 is the price. You can see from that low pretty much came back up to, if you're going to have a 0.5 retracement, that's right at your 618 here. So Curve could potentially still come all the way up to this 0.5 and this 618, that double fib here at 68, and then kind of just fall off the table at that point. So you could potentially bounce all the way up to that price level and still be bearish here. So just kind of keep an eye on that. And if we can get over that, you might get some momentum up and then get that deeper retracement up to the 618 at 72, and then of course a reversal at the 786 at 79. Pretty much 80 cents is the price you need to get back over to be in bullish status, I would say. And you'll probably end up meeting your 200-day moving average here. You can see they're all curling down now. So however long it takes, you can see this thing's going to come down this way. So that is speculation, but it could be the case. But just kind of watch these prices here. You could still come up to 68 and be bearish. You could still come up to 72 and be bearish and fall off the table. So just kind of keep an eye on those prices there. But if you don't go any higher than this 62.63 from the high to the low, you are still extremely bearish here for a push down. So those are the prices I would kind of watch. Let me get this off of the screen without making this too long. I really don't know how the hack situation is going to affect the price. So it may just crash more. I do not know. I'm just telling you what the chart tells me here. And I would say look out below if you take out the low here at 55 on Curve. Let's zoom out here to the weekly chart. Yeah, and you can see, I don't know why I got that out, how you had a bounce, 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 bounce yet again. So if you take out this price level here, I would say your last line of defense would be the 47 here. You can see that's where this low is here. So if you take out 55, watch 47. If 47 does not hold, then down she goes. I would say new lows here. Let's see if we draw down here at your 1618. That is a low from back in October of 2020. So you could be potentially aiming for that if you take out this price here. If you take out 55, you could drop all the way down here to 35 cents for that macro low from 2020. That would be another 36% on top of what you have already dropped here. So just kind of keep an eye on those prices and it will indicate which way it's going to go here. But other than that, you can see the money flow from this low here just spiked in. Stock RSI is curled up from the bottom here. So it is a good sign. It looks like it's got some momentum here. So we'll see if it can continue. We'll get these Heikinashi to roll over to green, and this thing can actually stay alive. But if you cannot get over these prices we just discussed, then you are just going to continue coming back down on CRV. So we will leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.